So we don't have a three-phase system to run our compressor, which needs to have a three-phase system. So we have a three-phase generator so we can power that. So coming in, this is our main power. So we have to turn this on. This is our three-phase panel box. So see, it's off, run, but you got to start it first. So once it starts, let go, it goes back to run. Okay? So this part is done. Our three-phase power is going out to the compressor. What's up, Chris? Okay. So now here, for me to get the three-phase power to these, we have another shut-off. So now that's on. So now, just to turn this on, now it's on, ready to go. We got 3 bottles to drop off. Grab a bottle, Travis.
You get one too.
Don't cross thread them. Right here, right? Yeah, whichever. It's a little tricky to get them started. Just don't cross thread it. Because these lines are stiff. So you gotta line it up just perfect. Okay, so look. Bottles on it. You want to check these ones when the bleachers are off. That's off. That's off.
That's what's happening when the bleachers
That's off. That's off. That's off. That's off. Now open your bottle. Open it all the way up.
Turn it back like you do when you open it or no?
Huh?
Do you turn it back a little bit or no?
Nope. Open it all the way up.
Always all the way.
Okay. Now you're going to open up the fill valve. push your bottle in. Close it so we don't get hurt. Okay, so I'm gonna start at bank 1 because that has 5,200 in it. So I'm taking it from bank 1. Then looks like the bottles are around 28.
So this is all 3 bottles at once?
Yep. So you see this is at 0. This is the outlet pressure. The inlet pressure is how much we can take out of this bank to give to the bottles. So I have to increase this. The bottles are what?
45.
4,500 bottles. So we're going to crank this up to 4,500. Okay. This is the fill valve. You don't fill them fast because they'll get hot. And then in a couple days you go check them, they'll be down. When you go, like the Cascade truck, they're filling them fast to get them done. So most time you have to go back and check. Okay, so I'm filling. Now this bottle pressure should start to raise.
At the same time, this should go down, right?
Yes, because we're stealing the air from that bank. Back in the older days, they kept in cold water, or in water when they filled them. But now, this is, we pull this up in case something happens there, it's not going to explode and hurt us. That's kicking on because it's going to start taking more air.
At one bank?
Probably. So we're at 4,000 right now.
But you don't ever want this to go down past 3, right? And that's when you go to the next bank.
You just, like if we have empty bottles, and this has 3, this has 6, or 4, and this has 5, I'm going to use this bank to start filling off the 3, get it up to 3, come over, close it, come over and grab another 1,000 from this one, and then come over and finish it with this one.
So you can totally take that right out then, right? The whole, you can empty it.
Yeah, you can. Okay. But if you get a bottle that's empty, and
right.
This is only at 500, is it worth?
Right. It sounds like there's only Jared.
Yep. He's the one to call. Okay, so right now I'm showing I have 4,300 in them. So I'm going to close this bank. I shut the fill valve. So I'm closing bank 1. Now I'm going to take from bank 2. And I only need like 200 pounds from each of them.
Now, why are you coming off this one? This one still has some in it, though.
There's a little bit of difference in them.
Oh, okay.
Pressure's not high enough.
So now I'm done. Ready to got the grease on everything, okay? So now we're gonna open this up.
Did you do that one?
First thing you're gonna do is shut off your bottles. Did you shut your bottle off all the way? Shut off your film.
You can feel a little bit of heat on them.
Yeah. Okay, so take this little copper and open it slowly, and we'll just and then tighten it back up so you don't forget next time. Okay. And then just take your. I'll get it. It's nice to have 2 people do this, so it's not one, because this is a job that nobody likes to have to do.
And these are active spares we took from over there.
Oh, these aren't from the truck?
No. 'Cause we have 6 spares over there. Well, we did have 6 spares.
These were on the
So you put the spares on the truck?
right.
Yes.
Okay. So now look at your bottles. They're rated about 45, all of them.
This one's more like 41.
Yeah, this one's
So
got
after it, yeah, after
42.
they
Okay.
cool down.
So now, what I want to do is I want to dump this pressure. You don't want to go over too wild with this, because this will come off, and there's springs in there, and it'll throw out, and you lose them all, okay? And then I like to bypass it. I got to turn it on.
So
now there's no pressure in any of these
So I
lines.
was turning the bypass on.
And just
turning
draining
this on.
draining the system.
So you only have to drain one of them.
Right. So now, what I want to do is I want to bring 2 bank 1. We want to open that. We want to hit 2 bank 2. That's filling them now. So that'll bring them up to almost 6,000 usually. We'll open them all up. When that kicks off, everything will be full, okay? And then, when we're ready to shut it down, you shut that one down, and you shut the machine off, shut that switch off, and then go back in, shut your